Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as a shadow.
Hello, Anita, baby.
And look, Ben, if it's about the food, I better go outside there and get food for myself. Why are you guys doing as if you're twins? Why don't you eat up? Besides, I'm done. It's not as if I wanted to eat this. I wanted coconut rice. Anyways, honey, let me go and watch SeaWorld, okay? Ben,
You are picking my
you are a
compliment.
joker. I am the one to say when this relationship is over, okay?
And who do you think gave you the audacity to talk to me like that?
I think that's right, okay? You think you should watch? Oh my God!